So starting off with the first and the best dash cam in this list, this is the VIOFO A329S triple channel dash cam. Arguably the best dash camera in this world. This gets not one, not two, but triple Starvis-2 sensors. The front camera shoots an exceptionally beautiful native 4K resolution, whereas the rear and the cabin camera both shoot at a 2K resolution, packed with the Starvis-2 IMX675. All three cameras support HDR, but the best thing about this dash cam is that this gets a 210-degree ultra-wide fisheye cabin camera, which covers both interior and the exterior of your car. And as you're looking at the screen right now, with proper placement, you get the widest angle ever seen on any cabin camera. There is no other dash cam in the world with such wide field of view for its cabin cam. Another feature which sets apart the VIOFO A329S is its low power impact detection mode. So this can give you parking monitoring not for 1 day, not for 2 days, not for 5, not for 10, but 15 days worth of parking monitoring. Again, there's no other dash cam in the world that can live up to 15 days with parking monitoring and at the same time give you impact detection. This camera also supports hybrid parking mode and also supports external SSD storage up to 4 terabytes. This means you get close to 1 to 1.5 months of continuous footage on 4K, 2K and 2K resolution. This camera also supports smart voice control and smart voice notifications, gets ultra precise quad GPS for accurate positioning. This also gets a built-in Wi-Fi 6 for file transfer speeds of up to 30 megabytes per second. The A329S also gets a USB 3.0 compliant port for direct transfer of files from the dashcam to the smartphone using a USB 3.0 compatible wiring. Another most underrated feature of this camera is its multiplex mode, wherein you get all three cameras or two cameras views stitched together in a single file. No editing needed once you download the videos. This camera also supports battery protection feature via its Hardwire Kit cutoff or even the preset time and voltage settings within the camera. This dashcam also gets a super night vision parking mode along with auto event detection and low bitrate recording, and it also gets variable time-lapse recording modes. The A329S also gets dual coaxial cables and dual Type-C charger in the box, along with the fact that you also get a front CPL filter included in the box. In terms of accessories, you can also purchase a rear camera CPL filter and also a Bluetooth wireless remote. All in all, looking at all of these features and all in all based on my personal usage, there is no other dashcam that can beat the A329S in terms of its performance, in terms of its finest video quality, and in terms of the best possible parking monitoring solutions. So this camera comes at a price of about 45,999, that's about 46,000 rupees. But in this New Year sale, you can grab a discount of flat 1,000 rupees using the coupon code Gizmobeep on the VIOFO website. All the details are given right out below in the description. So moving on to the second dashcam in this list, well, it's basically the same VIOFO A329S but the dual channel mode, which means you don't get the cabin camera, you get a front and a rear camera which can shoot a 4K and a 2K resolution. You get the exact same feature list what I just mentioned except for the interior camera, but do note that in case if you want to purchase the interior camera later on, you can always buy it and convert the existing dual channel setup into a triple channel one. But the advantage of getting a dual channel variant is upfront you will have to pay a lesser price compared to a triple channel one. The dual channel variant comes in at a price of 39,999, that's about 40,000 rupees. But as mentioned previously, currently there is a limited time discount going on with a flat 1,000 rupee off coupon. Just use the coupon code Gizmobeep on the VIOFO website. The details are given right down below in the description. Moving on to the third dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Ultra, my personal favorite dashcam, mainly because it offers you the same level of features, or should I say almost the same features as the VIOFO A329S. At the same time comes at a lesser price and at the same time offers you a higher resolution from the rear camera. That's the power of the A229 Ultra. You get a dual Starvis-2 IMX678 sensors for front and the rear, which means front shoots a 4K, rear shoots a 4K, and the cabin camera shoots a full HD resolution. But the good news being, it is still a 210-degree fisheye cabin camera. So the A229 Ultra also gets triple Starvis-2 sensors, shoots 4K, 4K plus full HD, Also gets 3-channel HDR along with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi with transfer speeds of about 8 MB per second. The A810 Ultra also gets USB 2.0 port for direct transfer with speeds up to 20 MB per second. This also gets smart voice control and voice notifications, and in terms of parking monitoring, you do get low bitrate recording, auto event detection, which records 15 seconds prior to an event and 30 seconds after an event has occurred. This also gets an ultra precise quad GPS setup. You also get a front camera CPL right inside the box, and in terms of accessories, you also can purchase a rear camera CPL filter and also a wireless Bluetooth remote. So the triple channel variant comes at a price of 38,999, that's about 39,000, and with a flat 1,000 rupee discount coupon you can grab it at a price of 38,000 rupees for the triple channel variant. That being said, the next model in this list is simply the A229 Ultra dual channel variant, where it doesn't get the cabin camera. You get the goodness of the front and the rear, and up front you have to pay a lesser price than the triple channel. The dual channel variant comes in at a price of about 33,999, that's about 34,000, but with a flat 1,000 rupee off coupon you can grab it at about 33,000 rupees for the dual channel variant. So all the feature list and all the special features of this camera are still the same for the dual channel except for the cabin camera. So all 4 cameras, the VIOFO A329S Triple and the dual channel variant, and the VIOFO A229 Ultra Triple and the dual channel variant, are my personal favorite dash cameras. You simply cannot get a better dash camera in the world except for these two. So go ahead and grab any one of these two cameras with a flat 1,000 rupee discount right now, because this discount won't be lasting for a long time. That being said, moving on to the 5th dash cam in this list, I'm talking about the Redtiger F77 Elite. So if you're someone who prefers to have a dash cam under the 30,000 price segment, this is the camera to go with, because currently you can grab a flat 1,500 rupee discount on the camera, bringing its effective price to about 27,000. And in case if you do purchase it with a Hardwire Kit combo, you can grab up to 1,300 rupee off, bringing the effective price to close to 29,000 rupees with the Hardwire Kit. So the F77 Elite is basically a dual Starvis-2 setup, shooting a 4K resolution from the front, 2.5K resolution from the rear, and a Full HD resolution from its cabin camera. The cabin camera too does get an older Starvis sensor. Now this camera supports dual HDR, gets a full night color mode, and also gets a 3-inch touchscreen. This camera also supports voice control, gets Wi-Fi 6 connectivity with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network, with 24-hour time-lapse monitoring and night vision parking. I personally tried and tested out the F77 Elite, and it does live up to its name. So better to go ahead and grab it with a flat 1,500 rupee discount, also along with a Hardwire Kit combo, which also gets an additional discount, overall coming in at a price of less than 30k. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. Moving on to the 6th dash cam in this list, I'm talking about the Redtiger F77. Has been one of my favorite cameras because this was the world's first camera to get a dual 4K dual Starvis-2 setup. And what sets this camera apart is that this doesn't get an external storage, rather gets an inbuilt storage. So you basically get two different variants of this dash cam, one with a 128GB inbuilt storage and another with a 256GB inbuilt storage. So the prices of these two variants vary, and the 128GB variant without the Hardwire Kit comes in at a price of about 27,000 rupees, and the 256GB variant comes in at a price of 32,000 rupees. Now do note that if you want to purchase it with the Hardwire Kit, the 128GB variant comes in at a price of 29,000 rupees, and the 256GB variant with the Hardwire Kit comes in at a price of 34,000 rupees. Now the F77 is one of the most beautifully designed cameras. It has this balanced design appeal from both front and the rear, and on top of it, this camera also gets a 4-inch touchscreen, and the user interface of this camera is very simple and easy to understand. This camera also gets a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network, gets built-in GPS, gets time-lapse monitoring, event recording in terms of its parking monitoring features. The video quality from both front and the rear is simply flawless, and at the price point, basically this is a 4K Starvis-2, you cannot get a better resolution and a better sensor in the market right now. So do note that the 128GB variant will record up to 7 to 8 hours worth of footage, and the 256GB variant will record close to 15 to 16 hours worth of footage. These dash cameras do get a memory card slot, but they cannot be used to store the videos directly from the dash cam. They can only be used to transfer videos from the inbuilt storage to the external one. So I would definitely recommend going with the 256GB variant if you are interested in this camera, and I also recommend going in with the Hardwire Kit combo because you get the best possible discount right now with the Hardwire Kit combo coming in at a price of about 34,000 rupees. Moving on to the 7th dash cam in this list, I'm talking about the Redtiger F7N Elite. Has been a very popular and go-to dash cam under the 20,000 segment because of its exceptionally good price point and exceptionally good features it offers. So this does offer you an upscaled 4K resolution back to the Starvis-2 sensor and also shoots a full HD resolution from the rear. Currently the F7N Elite is carrying a 2,500 rupee discount, so you can grab it at a price of about 16,000 rupees without the hardware kit, and with the hardware kit combo you can grab it at a price of about 17,900 rupees. Now in one of my previous videos on the F7N Elite I had shown you that this gets a rotatable mount, which means you can easily turn around the camera and record in any particular direction which you might like, and also for the fact that this gets a voice control, gets a super capacitor inside, and also gets a 3.18 inch screen at the back, giving you both front and the rear camera view. So the F7N Elite is one of the most practical cameras, coming in at one of the most practical price points. Today and right now would be the best chance to go ahead and grab it with a 2,500 rupee discount. The purchase link is given right down below. Moving on to the 8th dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the Redtiger F7NT, the original touchscreen based dash camera, which currently has been upgraded to a Starvis-2 sensor. Now the pricing is slightly lesser compared to the F7N Elite. This camera comes in at a price of about 14,700 with a close to 600 rupee discount, and with the hardware kit you get it about price of 16,000 rupees. So if you do have a really tight budget and you cannot spend like beyond 15,000 rupees, getting the upgraded F7NT model makes more of a sensible choice. So now moving on to the 9th dash camera in this list, I'm talking about the newly launched 70mm T800, the flagship dash camera from the brand of 70mm. So the T800 is basically a triple channel dash cam with 3 cameras, but it comes in 2 different variants. So the first variant is one where it gets a dual 4K setup with a full HD cabin camera, basically a front 4K and a rear 4K. The second variant is one which gets only a front 4K and the rear and the cabin camera shoot a full HD resolution. So the front 4K, rear 4K and a cabin full HD camera comes in at a price of 39,999, that's about 40,000 rupees, and the front 4K with the rear full HD and cabin full HD comes in at a price of about 29,999, that's 30,000 rupees. Now do note that both front and the rear cameras get Starvis-2 sensor. In the 4K variant you get a Starvis-2 IMX678, in the full HD variant you get a Starvis-2 IMX662. Additionally, this camera also supports shooting 4K resolution at 60 frames per second when used in a single channel mode. All 3 cameras support HDR, and this camera also gets a night vision parking mode with 70mm's Lumi Vision Tech. This camera also gets a buffered emergency recording while driving, wherein it records a 10-second to 3-minute before event clip and a 30-second post impact clip. This camera also supports a AI motion detection which records a 30-second clip, and this also supports a 3-channel time-lapse monitoring mode. The T800 supports memory cards up to 512GB, giving you close to about 16 hours worth of footage from the 3-channel camera. But 70mm was always previously known to have batteries inside the dashcam, but with the T800 the 70mm gets a super capacitor inside, so no more worrying about high heat. The T800 also supports 5 advanced ADAS features including front collision warning, lane departure warning, stop and go, pedestrian alert and cyclist alert. In terms of accessories, you can purchase a CPL filter, you can purchase a OBD2 hardware kit and also a regular fuse tab based hardware kit. All in all, if you're someone who prefers the brand backing of 70mm and the service support which is offered via Next Digital, which is the official service partner for 70mm, go ahead with the T800. Right now the purchase link is given in the description below. Moving on to the 11th dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the 70mm OMNI X800, the 360-degree rotatable dashcam from 70mm, which also gets a dual Starvis-2 sensor. The front camera shoots a 4K resolution and the rear camera shoots a full HD based on the Starvis-2 IMX662, but this camera has a neat trick up its sleeve. This can rotate 360 degrees, which means in parking mode, if somebody approaches your car, the camera can easily recognize it using AI motion detection and can rotate and move along the direction of the person who is coming near your car. This camera also supports voice control, gets GPS and 5 ADAS features. This camera too gets a super capacitor. The OMNI X800 also gets a Wi-Fi 6 along with a 20 MB per second of transfer speeds, along with the fact that you also get accessories such as the CPL filter and the OBD2 based hardware kit. I personally tried and tested out the X800 and the video quality is top notch. It has this out of this world look and will definitely give you a very unique feel in your car. That being said, moving on to the 12th dashcam in this list, that's the 70mm A810. Now this has been the king of dash cameras under 20,000 segment because this was the first and probably still the only camera to offer you a native 4K resolution backed with a Starvis-2 sensor within that price range. The quality from this camera, especially the front camera quality, is absolutely flawless. You also get a wide screen, you also get the brand backing of 70mm, along with the fact that this also gets a 150-degree field of view, gets a built-in GPS, and also supports AI motion detection with a memory card support of up to 256GB. So this camera was the original pioneer of bringing Starvis-2 backed 4K resolution under 20K segment and still remains a good choice within that price range. So quickly moving on to the last dashcam in this list, this has been one of the hot sellers and still is the hot seller from 70mm. I'm talking about the 70mm A510. Now this is a Starvis-2 based 3K dash camera coming in at a price of 13,000 rupees. And from the day it was launched, it has remained extremely popular even to this day, mainly because of its value for money proposition, because it gives you a Starvis-2 sensor under 13,000, gives you one of the finest video quality seen in that price range, and also gives you all the additional features such as a screen, a dual channel setup, a GPS and ADAS features, all this coming in along with the brand backing of 70mm. Probably why everyone still considers the A510 to be a good investment in that particular price range. So if you're someone whose budget really cannot extend beyond 13 to 14,000 rupees, the A510 would obviously be one of the best choices. And if you do want a front-only variant, the A510 also comes in a front-only variant which probably comes under 10,000 segment. You can also grab that, but I would strongly recommend going in with the dual channel variant rather than a front-only one. Now this was my favorite list of all the Starvis-2 dash cameras which you can buy in the year 2026. All the purchase links are given right down below in the description, especially the VIOFO cameras which carry a flat 1,000 rupee discount coupon. The coupon is given in the description, along with the fact that you also get discounts on all the Redtiger dash cameras in this end of year sale. So make the most use out of this sale and grab the dash cam which you feel is the right one for you. Many more interesting dash cam reviews and tech videos coming up in the future. Make sure to subscribe to Gizmobeep right now. See you in the next one.